Are you trying to decide between Strapi and Payload CMS? You're not alone. In today's video, we'll compare these two popular content management systems. Both Strapi and Payload CMS help you manage your website content easily. They allow you to create, edit, and organize your content without needing to code everything from scratch. Let's start with Strapi. Strapi is an open source headless CMS. It's flexible and customizable. You can use it with any front-end framework. Strapi also has a user-friendly interface, making it easy for developers and non-developers alike. Now, let's look at Payload CMS. Payload is also a headless CMS, but it focuses more on developer experience. It offers a powerful API and is built with modern technologies. Payload is great for those who want more control over their content structure. So, what are the main differences? Strapi is more beginner friendly, while Payload is tailored for developers who want a deeper level of customization. Strapi offers a rich plugin ecosystem, whereas Payload has a more streamlined approach with fewer built in features. When it comes to features, Strapi has a robust admin panel, user roles, and permissions. It also supports various databases. Payload, on the other hand, emphasizes a more code centric approach, allowing you to define your content types in JavaScript. In terms of pricing, Strapi is free to use, but they offer premium options for added features. Payload has a subscription model which provides different tiers based on your needs. So, who should choose what? If you are new to CMS or need something easy to use, go for Strapi. If you're a developer looking for flexibility and control, Payload is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.